Hello, my friends, and welcome back. I have a kit to share with you from Color Rush Studio. I am back on their design team after my scrappy hiatus, and I have to show you all of the goodies in this kit. I seriously cannot tell you how excited I am to use these products. So this is for December 2025. Let me move the goodie part to the side, or the non-paper part, and we will jump right into it. So we've got a bunch of things from Bella Boulevard here. And we're going to start with the documented line. I have two of these papers called clips. Let me see if I can move this just a little bit. Okay, so we've got this. It's called clips, and we have two of them. And it's from the documented collection. But you guys, look at all the bright, happy clips. Knowing me, I'll fussy cut a bunch of them out because I can't help myself. But I think it's just so darn cute. And then the back side of this one, it's this great grid with scallopy edges. So it's already got this great border for us. So that's super fun, and love the aqua. Then this one is called Snippets. Let me put this all the way over here. What is weird about this? Look at it's like slightly cocked. Okay, this one's called Snippets. So there's all kinds of wordy bits. Taking memories right here, 24/7 currently. You can use a strip of it. You have so many pieces. If you like to fussy cut out sentiments, you can do a whole little journaling thing with it. It's fun. It's so cute. And I like the little pops of color. The back side, super easy to use, tone on tone pink heart. And then this one, it is called Routine. Nice bright white background with black scallops. And the back side is the perfect rainbow stripes with a little Swiss dot. So cute. This is called Daily Details. So this is a nice cut apart. We've got 3x4s. There are tags, 4x4. These little banners, I will probably cut them right out. So super cute, more 3x4s. And then the back side are these cute little binder clips on a black background, those little tiny ones in nice bright colors. So cute. Then this is Be Happy, like the happiest pops of floral color. And the back side, it's a pink on pink Swiss dot, super usable. Then this is from Documented. This is called Organize, these cute little binder clips. I call them mouse purses. And then the back side, it is white with a little black Swiss dot. Oh, and then the one that is called Hello, it is black with a white Swiss dot. So you have these bright colors, but you have these great pops of color. And then we have got a diagonal stripe, which is my favorite type of stripe. I love to use it as a mat and gut the center, and then I will still have a nice amount of the black. And then from the Love Grows Here collection, this one's called Family Bike Ride. So many cute little bikes with the black tires and pops of color on them. And aqua little clouds. This is Our Love Grows. So it's a great little kind of a plaid, not quite gingham, but a really cute plaid, gorgeous bright colors. And we have got a Swiss dot tone on tone. This might be the color they call blueberry, I think, but I'm not sure. But really nice, bright, vibrant color. This is Let Love Grow. So nice little aqua background with cute little florals and a tone on tone. Is that the same floral? Yes, it's the same floral, but just tone on tone with the yellows. And then this is a Color Rush Studio paper. Let me see what it's called. So plaid and the plaid and butterfly paper. Look at this giant butterfly. And then we've got this sentiment. The butterfly is only beautiful because a caterpillar was brave. Stop it. So cute. And then we've got a nice hot pink or lipstick pink gingham. So that is fab. And then the goodies, you guys, check this out. So we have got the doohickey stickers. So we've got an alpha, which is great. All of these border strips, even, I know you guys can't see it, but look at how cute. You can't see the scallop is what I meant. And there are photo corners and sentiments and circly bits and little banners, and it's just adorable. You also will get some frazzles and ribbons. So we've got a stripe. We have two different little Swiss dots, and we have the butterfly here, just like our little butterfly friend on this one. Cute. So these are 12-inch strip of rainbow jewels, and you get two lines, two strips. How do I put it? Two rows. So we're gonna have some bling bling in there. And then there is, let's see, is there Bella Pop with this one, or does this go with the other one? What do you guys think? Yes, we get one Bella Pop in the florals. So it's like there's like little enamel dot things, but then the Bella Pops are popped up on foam. So that's nice and fun and bright. Then we have from Color Rush Studio, which I might have to just go ahead and pop this out so you can see it. These are foamies. And the foamies are just, oh, they're so cute. You guys, look at that. Be bold. And do you guys see the sparkly bits? Oops, what's in my hand? Oh, that's the little sparkly heart on there. So you have a title. Then there are binder clips. You guys, stop it, how cute. And a little arrow. And then, I mean, there's all these pieces that are just so cool. A check mark. I love getting the pieces out because I know I just want to like attack using them when I'm creating. And let's see. Another big clip, a check mark. So she gave us the little bits that's inside of these pieces for extra goodies. And then a little speech bubble with a heart. That is so darn cute. And then finally, I don't know if this goes in this kit or not. So do not quote me on this, but I have these. And it is with the goodies and it's going to match so perfectly. Not sure if it goes with the kit, so your mileage may vary on that one. I'm going to have to ask them. Okay, so I have that. Then if you get the bold kit, you will get all of these goodies, but wait, there's more. Let me move these treasures to the side because I'm going to create with them in a minute. So if you get the bold kit, you will receive all of the above plus these goodies. So we have from Love Grows Here. This is Bella Boulevard. You get Memories Live Here. So there's these little towns. You guys, look at the little cars, and there's flowers coming from the bottom and they're on the top, and there's a love bug, and it's cute. On a really pale blue background and a nice lime Swiss dot right here. Cute. And this is from Love Grows Here, Grow in Grace. So you've got a pale pink background with different colors of pink florals, and then the little like leafy bits, I guess, look like crosses or X's. They look like X's, not crosses. Ooh, and a really nice bold stripe. That's fun. And we get the borders. So you guys, there's so much you can do with these borders. I'm a big fussy cutter, so I'll probably be fussy cutting out all of the little elements that are on here, like these little clouds and the houses, the florals. Look at the little hearts. So that's super cute. Oh, and the back side, oh darn it, is such a cute stripe. Super skinny stripe, super versatile. Love that. And then this is called Simply the Best. All kinds of the sentiments that you could imagine with the colors in the collection. It's perfect. And then the back side, it is a tone-on-tone in a lovely tangerine. And then finally, this one's called Daily Details. So there are tags and 3x4s and 2x2s. And here's a 4x6. So there's all kinds of things. You can fussy cut them. You can leave them as is. I mean, it's kind of great. Like if you're into pocket pages or 6x8s or whatnot, you have like gorgeous embellishments, and you look at that little guy that I want to fussy cut out. So cute. So that is gorgeous. And then we have a Color Rush Studio piece of paper, and it says the world needs who you were meant to be. So we've got this gorgeous globe and this sentiment, and that is so cool. And then the flip side, it is a turquoisey aqua honeycomb. So that is great. That's just my separator paper, so that's not in the kit. Then sentiments that go with that is you'll get a Bella Pop house. And like I said before, there's little foamies in between. So you've got this great dimension with them. And you guys, it's so cute. This little heart, the pink heart right there, it's actually epoxy. You can't see that with this packaging, but that's super cute. You will receive 2 of these rubbery little rainbows. Let me show you guys these. Coming out, little guys. Okay, you will receive 2 of these rubbery rainbows. I believe the colors will vary, but look at, they're bendy. Aren't they cool? These are so cool. So we get these, which I'm gonna just go ahead again. Oh, but wait, we're going ahead again. I'm gonna put those in there. I have my Bella Pop. Oh, and then we have these wood goodies. These are exclusives as well. So let's see what we have. And I tend to like to go at these with my acrylic markers, or like they're acrylic paint pens. It's basically acrylic paint and a marker. So we have the word home. Oh, that would be so cute to do matching paint colors. And then we've got a little tree. Oh, another, look at the little tree with a heart. We've got 2 clouds with hearts. Stop it. Okay, and then for the acrylic kit, that's super cute. I'm gonna leave all this out so we can look at the acrylic kit together. So we've got, this is the story. So it is, I don't know if you can see it on camera because it's super cool. So I'll get the big piece out. So there's a little clip in there with a heart, but do you guys see the sparkles that is in that acrylic piece? It is so cute. Sorry, I had to tell a marketer trying to call when we were chatting. Rude. And then best day ever in pale pink. And then you and me in that nice pale pink again. I mean, it's like a mid-tone pink. You can definitely see it. And then, it's attacking. Then in this nice hot pink, love grows here. See the little hearts. And then there's this cute little clippy and some florals. And it looks like I have this little dot here that was the center of that little piece that snuck in there. So guys, that is all the goodies that I have to play with for this month. I think these things are gorgeous and they're gonna be so much fun. And I can't wait to play, and I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye, friends.